Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're excited to show you how to install our new bolt-on SS3 LED grill kit like you see here on this 2014 Polaris XP 1000. And if you guys are interested in any of the other kits you see installed here, check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. First, you'll need to remove the factory winch cover under the grill. There will be one bolt to remove. Our test vehicle did not have this installed, so we can skip this step. Next, we'll remove the factory grill by pressing the two tabs at the top of the grill at the same time and pull away to release the grill from the bumper. Then, we'll remove the hood by twisting both latches and sliding it towards the front of the vehicle. Using a T40 Torx bit, we'll need to remove two T40 bolts on both front corners of the vehicle. There will be two more T40 bolts to remove at the top of the bumper. Looking at the front of the bumper, locate the last four T40 bolts holding the bumper to the vehicle and remove them. Next, we can disconnect our headlight harness. To do this, simply pull the tab away from the connector and pull the connector apart. Now we can remove the bumper by pulling straight away from the front end. Once the bumper is removed, lay it down on a soft surface to continue the installation. Then, we can grab our new stainless steel grill and place it into the bumper using the keys at the bottom of the grill to properly align. It should be noted that the flanged mounting tabs should be facing towards the inside of the bumper as you see here. Next, we can secure the grill in place using the included self-tapping screws, following the holes in the flanged mounting tabs as your guide. It's important to note not to over-tighten these screws. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the sides of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then, slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread in our 5/32 Allen screws and washers, leaving them hand tight to save room for adjustment later. After assembling the pods to the universal bracket, we can mount our SS3s to the grill, placing the top of the SS3 universal bracket at the bottom of the grill bracket, like you see here. We'll put the included carriage bolt through the brackets and secure the pod in place using a washer, lock washer, and nut. We can tighten everything down using a 13mm wrench and 5/32 Allen. Now we'll start our wiring. Back under the hood, we'll secure the relay on the side of the factory bus bar if you have one equipped using the T25 bolt. If not equipped, mount to the location of your choice, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. Next, we can attach the positive lead to the positive terminal and the ground lead to bare metal. For our application, we'll use a 10mm bolt shown here. Then, we'll disconnect the switch harness from the main harness and route the main harness through the firewall into the footwell. Once it's routed through, we'll connect the switch harness and mount wherever you prefer. Next, we'll plug in our splitter harness into each pod, then plug it in line with our main harness and test for functionality. Before moving forward, we'll need to grab our front bumper with our grill kit installed and re-secure it to the vehicle. We're reinstalling two of the factory Torx bolts back in place for the time being at the center of the vehicle. With everything functioning properly, pull the bumper back off to make any final aiming adjustments, then reinstall the bumper by reversing the steps we used to take it apart. Using the included zip ties, Secure any remaining loose wiring. As you can see, with our Stage Series LED grill kit installed, not only will you have a dramatic increase in performance, but you'll also add a ton of style to your razor with the custom stainless steel grill included in this kit. If you're looking to pick up an LED grill kit for your ride or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.